Let's go.
Let's go. Oh,
Says the end.
wait, June. There's something there. You see it? On the right.
Oh shoot. It says I don't think that thing can see me.
And there's a lot of almond water, so I feel like our sanity is about to drain. It saw me. It saw me. Never mind. Never mind. June, there's you see the tapes on the shelves?
Yeah.
I think we just gotta collect it.
I got two.
Okay. Wait, there's a flashlight. Another tape. Why do I need a flashlight?
He's coming towards me. Oh, he turned around. Got another tape. Another tape. Another tape. Another tape. Why am I collecting so many tapes?
Yeah. Why are there so many flashlights? I got all. Oh, I think we have to go to the center, right, Jun?
Oh,
okay, this
flashlight.
is why.
You can see the red eye.
Yeah, it's on the facing. Yeah, it's on the left. Wait, it's in the center. Going towards you. Going towards you. Going towards you. Going towards me. On the left side again. Oh, he's just circling around the center. I think we have to get to the center.
Does he react to my light?
Yeah, I thought he came to me when I turned on the light, but he's not. Wait, he's coming closer towards me. Oh.
I put something in the VHS. I think that was me. The sound?
Oh, did you get to the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I pulled the fire alarm. He's coming towards the fire alarm.
Okay.
So he's on the opposite corner from where you are.
Okay.
He's coming towards me. You're good.
I can't play. I can't put in anything.
Oh, he got me. He got me.
Oh, he got me too. No, it's like not scared. The monster's not scary when the light's on, but when when the lights turn off,
Yeah.
it gets like 100 times more scary. 100 times scarier. Oof.
Danger.
Jun, I'm gonna ring the bell.
Okay.
So you could.
That's a good plan. Let's just do it. Just to keep dragging it out. There's a flashlight. Did you get a flashlight yet?
Jun, I'm gonna ring the same one again.
Okay.
Ready?
I think I got all the ones in this corner.
Do you know how many more we have left? Wait, why aren't the lights turning off?
3 left. 3 left.
Okay. Do the lights turn off after the 3? Oh, I see 2.
No.
I see 2. I could get 2.
I got 1.
Oh. Jun, can you ring the bell?
Yeah, I'll get.
Oh, never
2.
mind. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to. I could get 2. I could get 2.
He's on me.
Okay. 1 left.
Oh, the fire alarm starts working in the dark.
Oh, damn. There's 1 left. I got 2.
Oh, I thought you had 2. I thought you saw 2.
Oh, I saw 2. I got 2. So there's 1 left. You said 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 left. Let's coming towards me. He's chasing me. Oh, I see two.
No.
I see two. I could get two.
I got one.
Yeah, one left. It's coming towards me. He's chasing me. Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Oh, we did it.
Oh,
Nice.
what the?
Oh no. It's the lights out room. It looks like it.
I thought it was the end, cause it literally said the end.
Bait it.
That was a bait. I'm getting. I think I'm getting pretty close. The voices are getting louder.
Okay. Yo, June, did you find the last tape before we left?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I was like, I guess we did something.
So no, you found two, right? At the end,
Mhm.
when I said there's three. Yeah, I already found one at that point.
Ah, okay, so we were done.
Yeah, and then I just triggered the computer.
Ah, nice.
Wait,
Dude,
I passed.
What floor
on
are
40.
you on? Yeah, I think we're going all the way to 94.
Bro, this is not fun game design. This is not it.
Yeah, this one's not it. Or maybe we're missing something. I feel like we're not though. Oh, 94.
Oh, wait. It jumped up from 48.
Yeah.
Oh, instead of 49, it says 94. And then 50. Wait. This has to be something significant. Wait, yeah. I have a theory.
Uh-huh.
What if we're supposed to jump off at the 94th floor?
Oh, June, I'm dead. Did you see me? Oh my god, this is... Oh man, I'm dizzy. Oh, June, I think you're supposed to jump off. I see a light at the end of the tunnel. You see it, right?
Yeah.
Nice, we did it. Oh!
Oh, this is the floor June wants to be in.
Yeah, we should stop. Should we stop? Or should we ask June if he wants to come on now?
Yeah, I'm down to stay up a little longer. I gotta get this job done anyways.
Let me text him. You went to the houses?
I went into one of them, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go to one too.
Oh, you could hide in the closet. That tells me that we might have to
no.
hide.
A monster just chasing you on this beautiful landscape. What a sight to behold. It kind of reminds me of when cannibals chase us. Oh, the music changed. Yo, June, the sun's going down. June, the sun's going down. Go into the house. Oh, shit. Bro. The moon's up. Oh.
I'm hiding.
I don't have a closet to hide in. Oh, never mind, I do.
It's foot of the bed.
June, should I just go out and test it out?
Yes. I'm going
For
to.
the team.
Oh, you have a flashlight?
You see
Alright.
it?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing has attacked me yet. Wow, it's so dark. This is insane.
But this is how it looks like.
Like in true darkness.
Yeah.
Yeah. So realistic. Oh, June.
Yeah.
I'm going insane. That was mad fast. June, did your... Nice. There's some more here if you need. Did you turn the car on?
No. I just stepped inside. Oh, it's starting to move.
June, get in, get in!
Let's go on the other one.
Oh.
It just started up as soon as I went in.
Nice. You ready, June?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, June. Good find. Oh, it's so loud. Nice.
Be ready to jump off.
castle? Oh, it's closer now. We're way closer. I can see the windows of it.
Oh yeah.
The music stopped playing. Jun, get in.
Oh no.
Should we go?
That ain't it, Chief. That ain't it. I feel like the closer we get,
Oh! Oh, you scared the crap out of me.
I
That was you,
scared
right?
myself. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I didn't think it would actually turn off. I feel like the
Wait.
closer we get,
Uh-huh.
I
Oh, insanity.
drink some almond. I feel like the closer we get, the there's gonna be something.
Yeah, you're probably right. Something guarding the castle.
Wait, I feel like this is gonna take.
Oh shoot! No! Dude, just go. I'll make it.
Wait, but I'm not going towards the castle.
Goodbye, Jude. Yeah, it's going around. Cause the roads curve.
Oh.
I think I'll meet you here if I wait here. Oh, never mind. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see you. You see me, right?
No.
Oh, you're gonna take a left. Oh, it doesn't take you far. Oh, what the heck? I'm already out of sanity. That's insane. Oh shoot.
You don't have any almond water now?
I have 2 left.
Oh, it's getting dark.
Yo, the sound that comes with the darkness is scary too, though.
Yeah.
Like the thumping sound. Or it sounds like. Oh, yo, did you hear the knock on the door?
Hello, motherfucker.
No.
Oh shit! Oh shit! June, I'm dead. Yo, June, you gotta hide in the closet. Go in the closet. They opened the door.
I was hiding in the closet anyways. But I see there's something outside.
Yeah, there's these dolls that just attacked me. That scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, I got goosebumps.
I was right.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. Closer we get, the harder it gets. June, these dolls look mad creepy. They kind of look like Pinocchio.
I kind of want to see.
Oh my god,
Oh, they're
dude.
leaving.
They were waiting for you right outside. That's insane. You can make it, Jun. You can make it.
How does one get to a floating city?
Maybe all you have to do is stand underneath it.
That's what I mean.
June, the sun is setting soon. Oh, there's a rope there. You see it?
Yeah. Oh, there's a shadow, right?
Mm-hmm. It leads to the, yeah. I think you should rest in the house just in case. Right? You think you can make it?
Not at this point.
Yeah. Yeah, it's getting dark. Yo, go in the closet. Yo, don't risk it, June. It's still, sun's still up.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see it too?
Yeah, I could barely see.
Ah, okay, through the, okay.
Now it's getting dark.
Oh shit. I hope they knock on the door this time.
I see it.
Yo, oh my god, that shit, like I froze. I couldn't react.
Oh, maybe I was alt tabbed. There's nothing this time. Still not gonna trust it. Maybe it's because they saw our shadow
Oh, through the window.
through the windows.
Yeah, you're right. I was moving around a lot before they knocked on the door. You got this, June?
And then they're right there.
They just surround you.
I'm okay with dying. I don't want to live. This is not living.
This is surviving. Well,
It's not even surviving.
yeah, we're just surviving in real life too. Let's go, June. Huh? Oh, I thought you were pulling the castle down.
Imagine.
Oh, what the heck?